Today we talk about how can you find your lesson history on your Cambly app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on profile down here, just click on it here. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on listen history here, just click on it. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You here you will find all listen history you have here. uh Here I have not listened yet here in my list here, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Cambly app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.